Hey guys, the next video is going to be about trying to herd our sheep in, and we're also building a lambing area, or basically just like a multi-use small area for small animals, baby animals. Also did a bit of a clear out recently with the help of my mother-in-law, and she cleaned out all my pots, so I was inspired to plant all of the seedlings I got from Sophie's Patch, the workshop I did the other day. So I got cauliflower, which is these two, and these mixed lettuces, and then I thought I would obviously have to fill the rest of the pots. So mint, got some flowers to attract some bugs, good bugs hopefully, oregano, spring onion, and coriander. Now this is only temporary until our raised beds get done out the back.
Hello.
Got it done?
Yes.
Howdy partners, we're just out here, Aussie battling, planting some natives.
Life is a winding road.
Off she goes.
No telling where it goes.
Work it.
Driving through days and nights.
Good technique.
Won't stop for traffic.
No, you gotta whack it more. You'll feel it detach. There you go. Now massage the roots. Rake them up.
Look at the growth there.
I think it's moss.
Nice.
We'll never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm
I'm already $150 in the red from the 3 I didn't ever plant. You're doing great, sweetie.
Even if the sky is falling down.
Down the bottom we have Australis ruby. We have a king protea, big boy. Might have to fast forward myself because I'm walking too slow. Then we have a Sylvia, quite pretty. Frosted fire. The next one's Donna, which is a white one. Banksia with the zigzag leaves. Should have got another Banksia. And another king protea. Pine eye. First one, the 2 buds.
You can say I lost my mind.
This is what we started to build a few days ago. Hopefully we'll get it done today. So we got these sheep panel, well they're not sheep panels, they're actually, this is the size, and we cut them in half, which they're supposed to be a structure in shipping containers. They put them up the front, and so this is going to go all the way around there, and this will be like 2 bays just across from all the others. This is also looking very irony. A lot of this is going to be going, but anyway. And then that will back onto the paddock where we just finished fencing, and that's the shelter that we're nearly finished building as well for other animals. And there's the orchard out the back.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
These are all my blue gum. Planted 6 of them for future flower arrangements. Quite nice. Haven't got any food for you lot. Freeloaders, go lay me some eggs. Just planted another native, which is it's not a large snowy flower. What's its name? Banksia menziesii. And also this one, which is something about candles. What are you? Dwarf. Banksia, medium low form, I don't know. Anyway, it's Banksia. And then down there are the last ones I planted.
Further you stray, further I fall. Further you say, that house is home. You're such a beautiful mess on the rocks, I know.
So after a short break escaping from the rain, we're trying to get a tiny bit more done, and then we can put the calves in the first section.
We had it lost at sea.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Sent me postcards from the place you call home. Each little letter made me feel alone. Darling,
Just walking the cow.
I miss you for
Good boy. Come on.
problems and all of our wish. Darling, this has been getting kind of old.
You made it. I'm nearly there too.
Further I fall, further you say that house is home. Such a beautiful mess on the rocks, I know. You said you didn't know if you're coming home. 10,000 miles away from me, and all that we had is lost out at sea. You're such a beautiful mess on the rocks, I know. You said you didn't know if you're coming home.